This is AI News 5 Minutes. Welcome. Breaking news out of the Vatican today. Pope Leo XIV may have used artificial intelligence to write parts of his latest encyclical about AI's dangers. Yes, you heard that right. An analysis by researcher Lynch Zhang on Less Wrong suggests that certain paragraphs contain telltale signs of AI generation. The irony is absolutely wild. The Pope is warning humanity about AI's risks, potentially using AI to do it. Zhang's linguistic analysis found patterns consistent with large language model output. Specific phrases and structures appeared in ways that felt distinctly algorithmic. The Vatican hasn't confirmed or denied the allegations yet, but this raises fascinating philosophical questions. Can AI help us understand AI's own dangers? Is there something paradoxical about using the very technology you're warning against? Religious leaders worldwide are watching closely. This could reshape how institutions approach AI governance. The encyclical itself discusses concerns about AI replacing human judgment and eroding moral responsibility. So if AI actually helped write it, that's genuinely thought-provoking. Either way, this story perfectly captures our moment in history where AI is becoming so integrated into everything that we can't always tell where human creativity ends and machine generation begins. Now let's talk about Google's massive miscalculation. At their I/O conference in 2026, Google completely overhauled search. They ditched the traditional blue links we've all known for decades. Instead, they're pushing AI agents that directly answer your queries without showing sources. Users absolutely hate it. DuckDuckGo installations have surged 30% in response. That's huge. We're talking about a genuine exodus from Google search. This represents something rare in tech. Users actively rejecting a major platform's AI integration. People want transparency. They want to see sources. They want to verify information themselves. Google's gamble on fully automated AI responses backfired spectacularly. Privacy-focused DuckDuckGo suddenly looks attractive again. This could be a turning point moment where users finally push back against aggressive AI deployment. Tech companies are watching this closely. The message is clear. Not every AI implementation improves the user experience. Sometimes people prefer the old way. Here's something genuinely scary. A critical vulnerability called Bad Host was discovered in Starlet, an open-source software package. This package gets downloaded 325 million times every single week. That's staggering scale. The vulnerability puts millions of deployed AI agents at immediate risk. We're talking about a serious security incident rippling through the entire AI infrastructure ecosystem. This exposes a fundamental weakness in how AI systems are built and deployed. Many companies rely on open-source packages without fully auditing them. Bad Host could allow attackers to compromise AI agents at scale. The implications are enormous. Critical infrastructure, financial systems, and enterprise AI could all be vulnerable. Security researchers are working overtime to patch systems. This is exactly the kind of incident that keeps cybersecurity experts awake at night. It highlights how dependent modern AI is on interconnected, sometimes poorly monitored software foundations. Now, something fascinating about AI training data. A company called Human Archive, founded by UC Berkeley and Stanford researchers, is paying Indian gig workers to wear camera-equipped caps and sensors. They're collecting physical training data for robotics and AI development. This reveals the hidden labor behind AI advancement. Real-world training data doesn't come from thin air. It comes from people. Workers in low-cost labor markets are literally training the robots that might eventually replace them. It's a complex ethical situation. These workers earn income they need. Companies get crucial training data. But there's something unsettling about the dynamic. The gap between what these workers earn and what the resulting AI technology is worth is enormous. This trend will only accelerate as AI development demands more real-world training data. Those are your top stories today. Pope possibly using AI to warn about AI. Google losing users over aggressive AI search. Critical security vulnerabilities threatening millions of agents. And the hidden labor powering AI advancement. Subscribe for tomorrow's update. I'm your AI news host. See you tomorrow.